Yes, good morning, everyone. Completed breakfast. Huh? Coffee. Sir, in the last class yesterday, from first class onwards up to now, four applications until first application, sample one, that is to display just welcome message we have to display in the first application. Sir, first one is to display. Sir, listen the class. Just I have to display, hi, welcome to Django classes. Just one normal message I have to display, sir. Second one is, I have to just display the server time as the response. Ante, in the second application, just I have to read the server date and the time. Just I have to display to the console only. I can provide it there. Next one, third application. Sir, what is the third one? I have to provide, multiple views in the same application I have to display it. And yesterday, one more thing is there, customized response based on the time. Based on time, I have to display good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night messages we have to provide it there. So this is the four applications we implemented. For example, open atom. One minute. Go to the atom. Date and time inside views.py. Sir, first time reading the server date and time. Based on the time hours I am calculating. If hours is less than 12 hours, good morning. 16, good afternoon. 21, good evening. After that, good night we can provide it there. Demo class links. I will upload in the drive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Okay. So now this is the there. Okay. Sir, after that, I have to go with print off. Go with the message. So now just have to run this program in the Django. It is available there. Go to the server. Go to the on step back cd dot dot. Clear the screen. CD Django 10th February 11 a.m. Okay. CD, the project name is date time project. Run the server. How to run the server? py manage.py run server. Run server. Server is started, sir. Now copy this, go to here, paste it. Now the URL pattern is time. So, sir, he is printing hello guest, very good morning. Now the server time is ఇంకా 12 అవ్వలేదు. Okay. Now the time is 11:20. It is taking the 11 hours. It is less than 12 only. That's why it is displaying as a good morning message. Yesterday I changed the time and I executed the program also. How to change it this date and time. Set a time manually. Sir, now the time I can make it as a 1 o'clock, sir. Change, send the response, automatically changes. Again, I have to change the time, 18 hours until 6 o'clock now the time, refresh. Good evening there. If I want to change 22 hours, automatically I'm getting the good night. Based on the server time, I displayed all these things. Dynamic response I can provide it there. So what is the advantage of this Python code means? By using HTML, we have to provide only static response. Because of this view, whatever Python functionality is there, main important thing, this Python functionality only. Based on this, it is provided the dynamic response. Sir, have you observed here? What's the response I'm getting actually? This is, wow, what it is. Angular brace, H1, hello guest, very good afternoon. Now, this is H1 tag, browser understandable language, HTML code. This can be printed in the form of H1 tag. That's why it is printed, hello guest, very good morning, something. Yeah, this one, good morning. After that, one line printed there. Now, that line, that line is, what is this one? HR, horizontal line will be displayed. After that, again, I have to go with one more H1 tag. What it is? Now the server time is so and so. Because of these H1s, this HR, these things, I can provide this type of response. Yes or no? Yes, that is. Sir, asal how it is coming in the server console? How it is getting as it is message H1 tag, HR, all these. Because of just now added one statement, what it is? Print statement. So totally what is my final message I printed? That message I can send it to HTTP response. Previously, we had a discussion about how the HTTP flow is going on there. First, we have to send the request to the server. We have sent request to the server. First, it will goes to the, where it will goes to there, urls.py request will be go to there. In URLs, it is looking for what is this greeting, sir? It is a URL pattern. What it is? URL pattern. This URL pattern is pointing to which function? Display. Actually, this display function is available where? Views.py. So, first, whenever I'm sending request, it will goes to the urls.py. The corresponding URL is available, not available. The URL is mapping to the display function. It will goes to views.py display. In display function, function means, yeah, am I using return statement? Yes. In the return, what I'm written, I'm not returning normal strings. I'm returning as the HTTP response. See, my function will be displayed written which response? HTTP response. That response will be given to the end user. Any program entered Django, this is the request flow. First request will goes to URLs. The corresponding URL is available, not available. If it is available, what is the corresponding view function? It will goes to that function, executed. What it will return, that response will be sent to the end user. That is HTTP request flow in Django application. Sir, what it is? Definition of URL and what is the use of URL pattern? What is the use of URL pattern? If I want to access application specific functionality, your end user, that is my application provides some functionality. How you can access my application? By using URL. Suppose you want to access Facebook, how you can access? What is the URL? Facebook.com. If I want to access Gmail, Facebook, Flipkart, URL is required, not required. Yes, one application provided some functionality. If I want to access that functionality, compulsory one URL is required. Without URL, how can I access? That is the meaning of our URL. Once sending request. So in this case, sir, what is the request? Observe in this diagram. My request is, this is the request. So in this 127.018 port number time. Time is one URL pattern. First the cursor will goes to urls.py. Inside time is available, not available, it is looking. Yes. And in this diagram, greeting related, actually time is available, not available, it is looking. Yeah. Come to our URLs, sir. 1 minute. Come to the URLs. In URLs, the time URL is there. Yes. This time URL is pointing which one? Date in. This date info is available where? Views. So automatically my server will goes to views. Yeah. Inside date time info is there. Function executed. It will return the response. So that's why URL is required to handle the our functions. That is the up to now what we did HTML response flow. URL full form. You can Google it. Google will tell everything. Sir, next one is, sir, this is up to now what we completed into our applications, 4 applications. First one, just normal message. Second one, system date and time. Third one application, multiple views like Hyderabad jobs, Bangalore, Bihar. Yesterday concept based on the time, I have to display the dynamic response. Okay. Yesterday asking same question, he is URL. Yesterday also telling, today also same question repeated. So today concept is, I want to go with, sir, is it possible single project with multiple applications? Up to now, one project is there. One application just I created like test app, jobs app or something only. One app only I created. Now my requirement is only one project, multiple applications I have to created. Only one project, multiple applications, sir. That is the concept now. So first you have to create the project, same story. So everywhere totally that 6 steps are there. First create a project. After that create an application. Add application in settings.py. Define one view function. Create one URL for that function. Start the server. Send the request. Process is same process. Now, sir, first stop the server, Control C. Server is stop. CLS. Sir, observe carefully. Present it is in D drive. Django current working folder, date time project. From here, I want to go one step back. What is the command we can use? Dot dot. Because in the next program, very important thing, there are lengthy path is there. I want to go to one step back, one step back, one step back, main project folder. Here command prompt command is cd dot dot. Adi in case of Python, how to go to the back Python command. Okay, I will tell. Present if we go to one back step, we go with cd dot dot. I want to create the project. D Django hyphen admin start project. Project name multi app project. అంటే ఓ పని చేద్దాం. One project, multiple apps. One కరెక్ట్ అయిన స్పెల్లింగ్. One project, multiple apps. Okay, done. CD, one project, multiple apps. PY, manage.py, start app, test app. These three steps are common, sir. So first, create the project. Next, to go to the project, create an application. Yesterday already explained PyCharm. You can practice it. Yesterday one project explained. సార్ ఇక్కడ మల్టిపుల్ యాప్స్ కావాలి కదా. Sorry, do one thing. Stop 1 minute. Okay, no problem. Continue. What I was doing is I want to take meaningful name first app, second app. One project, multiple apps. Test app I don't want. Just right click, delete. Now only one project is there. The app I deleted. Okay. Sir, instead of test apps, sir, two apps I am creating. First app. Yeah. Next, second app. ఇవి తీసుకోండి instead of test app. So one project is there. Multiple applications are there. First application, second application. After that, add both applications in where settings.py. We have to add the both applications in settings.py. Both we need to add. Then only Django will about this applications. Both spelling wrong anta. I'm adding still. I'm not added Lakshman. Wait. How to add both means simple. Sir, how can I add? Go to the settings in one project settings. Here applications are there. Installed apps. What is the first app? First app. Second one, that is only. So both applications you can add into your installed applications. These are all not required. These are existing apps. Just in settings, you can add your first app, second app. You can use PyCharm, anything you can use. So many times I explained, I'm telling IDE, anything you can use. Okay. Yesterday explained one project in PyCharm. Process steps, everything same only. So next what to do? Create a function in both applications. Create function in views.py. We have to create one function. So here two apps are available there. One is first app, second one is second app. So first I can implement it. First app views.py. Go to the first application. Inside views.py, you have to implemented one view. You can contact online mentors. They will give the solution for that. See, the code is main thing is only Python function views.py only very important. Remaining every process should be same in PyCharm, Atom, VS Code, anything. Okay. Can we create more than one views file with another name? Can we create more than one? No, no. Each application contain one views.py. Inside more applications you can create, more functions you can create. Sir, come to here. Come to the first app. What is the file? Views. Def, the function name which one? What is the argument? Request. This argument can be forwarded by Django server. Sir, simple. I have to return is the keyword. What is the class name? Django dot. What is the module name? HTTP is the module name. Import HTTP. Response is the class. For this class, you have to create object. Inside, can I pass one string? Happily, you need to pass instead of storing and all these. Open H1, close H1. Instead, I have to write this is from which application? First application, it is too good. Like that, I am written. This is the first app. Take this one. Everyone started practicing. No, don't practice. Practicing daily. Previous class links are available in the classroom. This one, I'm uploading this one in the Google Drive. Just to go through that one. I will upload in the Google Drive. Completed. Yesterday class link also available there only. So next one, second application, go to the, because every application, separate views, separate models, everything is there. So my second app is also contains a views. Inside that you have to create one function. So this time go to the, this is the project folder. My project folder contains two applications. First app I implemented. What is the second one? Second app. Inside second app, what is available? Views is available there. Open that. Any view is there? No. Implement def. What is the function? Wish to. Go to the request. I have to return class is not there. So from Django dot module name HTTP, class name HTTP response. Create object this class with parentheses. Inside give one string, same h1, close the, we have to write hello. This is from which application? Second application. It is to now. Two apps, two views are there. I'm writing the program. Completed. Simple scenario. ఏమైంది? ఎక్కడో మైసర్ అనేది అయిపోతుంది అక్కడ. సరే బాధ ఏంటి? అది ఆ లాస్ట్ లో కూర్చొని క్లాస్ అనుకుంటే మెసేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు అనమాట మీరు అందరూ. Sir, now see here. Sir, observe carefully. First, I created one project. Inside, I'm creating two applications. That is first app and what it is? Second app. I added into the installed applications. In first app view, I created one function, written the response, some heading I can provided. Second app view, I declared one more function, wish to. I forwarded one message. Now, final thing is what it is. You have to define URLs to your function. So here, how many functions are there? Two. One is wish one, wish two. For that functions, I have to define URL. So two URLs are required. Now, what I was doing is, now observe carefully, sir. Open urls.py. Yeah, what is the import statement, sir? From first app, import views. Next, from second app, import views. Here, any explanation is required? No, because both are modules only I imported. Create two URLs. Any URL you can provide. First URL pattern, I'm given wish one. What I was doing is views dot, what is the function? Wish one only. second wish 2. Second wish 2. Sir, everyone clear here? I imported module name wish1, module name wish2. Start the server, send the request. Once started server, if everything goes fine, server will be started. If something goes wrong, it will be displayed message py manage.py run server. So everything goes perfect or not perfect? Everything is okay. Yeah, now check it. What will happen? Django will give left and right. Immediately we are getting error. Server is not started. Read the error. What is the problem? Anyone guess it? First of all, which type of runtime error came? Attribute error. What is the meaning of attribute error? If a class does not contain method, but you are trying to call that method, then you are getting attribute errors. And what they are telling, Babu, in the second app views has no attribute wish1. Correct. In the second app, which is available? Wish2 only. What they are telling, I know already. Second app contain wish2 only. But still they are mentioning no attribute wish1. Am I calling any wish1 by using second app? But why this error came? Anyone? Hmm? Okay. Inka. That is one valid point. Next one. One question here in Python. Is it supported method overloading? Method overloading. No. What is the reason? Suppose I declared def f1, no values, f1 of a, f1 of a comma b, def f1 of a, b, c. 4 functions are there. Python will be considered always which one? Last one. Last one will override all. Same happened in our case also. The problem is, go to your URLs. Now you can check it line number 18 and 19. What is the meaning of 18, 19? Sir, first one, I imported views. Second one, what you did? You imported views. This is will be overriding this one. So finally, which one it will be considered? Second app views only. First one is not considered. Whenever I'm calling views dot wish to, okay, valid. But line number 23, which one I'm calling? Wish one. Wish one. Wish one I'm calling, not calling. But in that wish one is not there. That's why I'm getting this type of error. Babu, second app use does not contain wish one only. Wish two is there. But what is the solution for this? Import views as v1, as v2. Is it okay? Now see the server immediately. Server will be checking name view is not defined. And one more error is there in our program. Yakada. Sorry, here, what can I give? V1. Because once aliasing name is given, compulsory you can use which one? Aliasing name only. Original names are invalid. Now check the server. If everything goes fine, automatically server will be started there. So that is the big problem here. Now once it is okay, take the IP address. So first application, what it is? Wish one. I'm getting from which application? First one. And if I go to the second one, if I go to the wish two, am I getting? First application I'm accessing, second application I'm accessing. So if multiple apps are there, take care about that. Everyone, what I'm using the first approach, that is they're using immediately they're asking, sir, module error coming, it is no. That is the problem here. You have to take aliasing name and you can provide it. So that is single project with multiple applications. No, views file name not changed because it is given by predefined file name, that is the views. If you want to change by using that name, you can call, but it is not recommended one. Sir, views.py is a one Python file only, Python module. Suppose if you want to change the name, you can rename it. But what is the use of that one? No use. If any use is there, importance is there, then you can change it. Otherwise, not required. Sir, this approach is I accepted. First app, import views as V1, as V2. Aliasing name I provided, I'm calling that. Any another approach? Only concentrate on from import statements. Any another approach is there? Okay. How? Then I can use again total module name and hmm, what will happen? First app dot views dot wish one. Second app dot views dot wish two. Then it will become lengthy name. Previously, I'm giving an example now. If I'm calling with module name, if it is lengthy name means readability will be more. Short name I need to call always. What is the another way? Get method. Present we don't have any idea about get method. Shikar. Anyone please tell this statement any another alternative way? From star. No. After import star is there. From star means what is the meaning? No. From module import star means in that module all are available to the current module. Alternative way. Just from import only you can change. How to write? Here in URLs observe. Sir, I can provide it here in this case from first app import views as V1. Instead of that, from test app dot views import. Can I import which one? Here also, can I call dot views? Can I import wish to? Yes or no? Yes. Then V1, V2 is required. Can I call directly function name? Yes. So it will goes to package, module name, function. Here also package, module name, function. If any problem is there, check it. No problem. Now you have to refresh. Am I getting the same output or not? Both are same only. Only change is from import statements is there. Another approach, this is also valid because later on some people will ask, sir, I'm using like this, then also working. That's why both I'm telling. Here providing alias name calling function. Directly I'm calling the functions. Both are same. Import star first app view from first app comma second app import views as v1 v2 passing function name multi-line assessment from module import star first app dot views. Which one? Then what will happen? Suppose if you are import first app, then at the time of calling function, what we can first app dot views dot which one you have to call. Readability will be increases. That is also valid. Import second app, then compulsory module name, first package name, second app, views, wish to. Based on your, you have to write like this. He is asking import. He is asking just he is using import statement only. Okay, valid only. At that time, what is the statement can I use in line number 64? First app dot views dot wish one. So that's in our regular class first time telling only import statement. What is the advantage of from import means direct functions we need to call. Readability will be increases more. That's why from import statements that is also valid only. Where you can pass wish one, wish two. So that is a single project and multiple applications, how we can access. Every application contains some view. Only thing is main from import statements only here. Remaining concept is same. So up to now is these 5 applications. We are defining URLs in where? Project level or application level? Project level only. Project level, not application level. Why everyone asking PyCharm, PyCharm, PyCharm? Yesterday already explained PyCharm. Okay, you need to practice it. Sir, now I'm defining URLs in the project level, sir. For example, assume here carefully. There is one project is there, sir. Project one. In this project, am I getting multiple apps? Just now executed multiple apps, chances will be there. This is the application one. This is the application two. Single project, two applications are there. First application contains 100 views. How many? 100 view function. Ante definitely can you define 100 URLs or not? Pakka. Second application also contains 100 views. So here how many URLs are there? 100. Total these 200 URLs where you can mention. Yes, here my file is there urls.py. Up to now this process just we discussed. A project contain two application. First application contain 100 views. Second one contain 100 views. First one 100 URLs and total 200 URLs are available there. Up to here, any doubt anyone? No, clear only. Now, sir, in Django applications are reusable. Tomorrow, I started second project. Project 2. In this project, that application one is just like polling app, polling application. Any project polling application is same. And I have to give some survey, polling related. I'm asking one question, I'm getting the answers yes or no, no. Like that polling I conducted. Any project polling application is common. So what I was doing is, now I have copy this one and simply won't anything, right click, copy, paste. Right click, copy, paste. I will show with example. So application came within fraction of seconds, copy, paste. Oh, application one came, 100 views came. I'm not rewriting anything. That's why I'm telling dry rule it is following. Don't repeat yourself. 100 views are ready. Mari, here also, can I compulsory maintain these URLs or not? Yeah. Must and should. But can I copy these URLs and paste it? No, because that URLs contain 200 URLs. Maybe in that application 10 apps are there, 10 into 10, 10 into 100,000 URLs are there. But where is the code reusability in this case? Then how many 100 URLs are there? One by one manually you can copy, paste into here. Yes or no? Yes. But where is the reusability here? Ade observe carefully in application. This is the first step. Na? Here itself only I created URLs. I define all URLs. Whenever copy paste here, automatically all URLs are coming, not coming. Yes, automatically. Because once a copy folder, inside one more folder is there, automatically is coming. Just I have to integrated this application URL into project URL. Single line command. Code reusability will be very more. That's why sometimes instead of declaring URLs in project level, we have to declare where? Application level code reusability purpose. Because see that diagram only. If I declare separate URLs in any another project, if I'm using, reusability is not supported. All your URLs are available application level only. Then automatically once copy paste there, your views are available, URLs are there. But whenever I'm sending the server request, Django server request will be always go to project level only. It never goes to application. Sir, my problem came. No problem. I will integrate this one into here. Then, whenever Django server request came to here, in this one, first coming to project level, here this URL is there. Go to this. Corresponding view will be executed there. That is the main advantage to define URLs in where? Application or project level? Application level. If I define any URL application level, it is more reusability instead of project level. Whatever now I'm creating one diagram, same with example, we will see, observe now. So now next concept is make a heading. Defining URL patterns at application level instead of project level. Main purpose reusability, nothing program, everything same only. Only purpose reusability purpose. I have to define my URLs in application level, not in project level. Everyone getting the concept or just like a Tamil cinema? Thoda thoda. Kannada cinema. That's why I'm telling practice it. Then you are getting everything. But we are not practicing now. Marathi. Very good. Not understanding. Share the notes in the classroom. Every day I'm uploading the notes in the Google Drive. Tamil cinema, English subtitles. Only if subtitles are there, simple we are getting it now. Sir, now I have to define URL patterns at application level instead of project level. A Django project can contain multiple applications. One project can contain multiple applications. A Django project can contain multiple applications, and each application contains multiple views. A Django project can contain multiple applications, and each application contains multiple views. Defining URL pattern for all views of all applications inside urls.py. Defining URL pattern for all views of all applications inside urls.py of project creates maintenance problem and reduce the reusability of applications. That is the problem. Because project contain multiple apps in a multiple application, multiple views are available. If I define those URLs in project level, maintenance problem will come. We can solve this problem by defining URL pattern at application level instead of project level. That's why a separate file you have to create and every application instead of the project level. For every application, we have to create a separate urls.py file, and we have to define all that application specific URLs in that file. We have to solve this problem by defining URL patterns in application level instead of project level. How many applications are there? Every application, you have to create separate urls.py file and define all application specific URLs in that file. Finally, we have to link this application level urls.py file to project level urls.py file by using, there is one function is there, include. That is the way, sir. This include function, I have to use project level. Wait, in example, I will tell how to include because you declared one file under application, but Django server is always looking to the file is project level. But how to add application level here by using include function? I will explain with example. Wait. Sir, now completed theoretically. So always whatever URLs I created, every URL is available always project level. For that reusability is not applicable. Instead of that, I have to created URLs in where application level because once a copy paste is application, automatically URLs available. But how to add into project level means there is one function is there. What is the function? Include. By using that, I included URLs. Sorry, first create the project. Go to the command prompt. Stop the server. Clear the screen. cd dot dot. Django hyphen admin start project. My project name is base project. Project name is base project. cd base project. Inside py manage.py start app test app created there. Ante just now I'm telling one project I created. Inside go to that, create one application. Next what to do? Add application in settings. Create the function in views.py. So first project inside application, add application in settings.py. Completed up to here. So now go to the application, close all these. So what is our project name? Base project. Expand base project. Go to the settings.py. Inside settings, install application. What is the app name? Test app. Done. Now declare our views. Go to the application, open views. Here write some normal code. Def first view. Inside argument is request. Return the class name from Django dot HTTP import HTTP response. Create object to this class. Inside you can pass one h1 tag. Close the h1. This response is from first view response. Like this, create some views. First view, second view, and third bus. Three views are there. This is the views. Take these three views. So up to now we know once the functions are created, define URLs. Where you are defining URLs? Project level, but don't declare project level. Now you have to go with some new type. We have to declare URLs in application level. Another approach we can follow. I mean, not added settings.py. Added kada. We added settings.py test app. And completed. So next, if you go to the project architecture here, in this one, this is the base project folder. In test app, anywhere URLs.py file is there? No, but where can I declare URLs? In the application level, the files are admin.py, apps.py, models, test, views. URLs is there, but it is project level. But where can I define my URLs? So that's the reason. First of all, you have to create. So .py file means you have to create it. Right click, go to file, save .py. So create a separate file. What is the name? URLs.py. Inside where? Application. Because under application, such a type of file is not there. That's why I have to create it. Now, observe here. What is your application name? Test app. How to create Python file? Right click, new file. Any name you can give. I'm given URLs. Extension is .py. In this, I'm including path. So from Django dot URLs import what it is path. Now define your URL. చూడండి pattern how it is there URLs pattern. Path is there. List of URLs you can mention. List of URLs. Here I want to give first. This is views dot first view. Second, every view I can mention third. Here the function name is second view. Next function is third view. Now, but this first view, second view available, where it is available, what is the import statement? What is the statement can I use? From test app, import views. Sir, here in the test app, views are there, views functions are there. Instead of test app, can I use dot? What is the meaning of dot? Same directory, because the reason is under test app only URLs is available, views are available there. Both are available, same folder or not? That's why I'm given dot. If another project is there, another package, compulsory we can use. Within the same package, both are available there. Same, this one I'm calling. That's where dot is also valid only. No problem. So define these URLs. This is the, so create a separate file urls.py inside application. In that you have to define 3 URLs, first, second, third. Which one? Any names are our wish, but we have to follow some standard purpose. I'm giving urls.py. Any name you can use. For example, sir, simple logic. I'm not using urls.py. I'm using sunny.py. What is the meaning? The URLs means everyone getting that, this one URLs contains views, function content, models, database. That's why I'm given these names only. .py means any name you can give. Sir, line number 98. Yeah, this is the path module available in this one. Another module function if I'm using means compulsory. Without this, what is the path? Error. That is the predefined function. Compulsory you can import it. So now created. What to do finally? Whenever I'm sending requests, Django will goes to always project level only. It never goes to application level. Actually, Django don't know what is application URLs because manual I created URLs.py. Django only knows project level URLs.py. It never goes to the application. How to create a right click new file. Next step is include this application level urls.py inside where project level urls.py file. That is the major thing. mandatory. Sir, Djong is the built-in library. URLs is the built-in module. Inside path is the function. Can I use here instead of this Mahesh.Sunny? Is it valid? It will give left and right because Djong is the built-in library. Inside URLs is the module. Inside path is the function. How you are using your own names, man? Sir, now go to the project level URL.py. How to include this one into project level? The final step. Go to the project level. Here it is empty. Only admin URL is available there. Sir, I am telling just now I'm using one function. What is the function? Include. Include is the predefined function. And it is available somewhere else module. What is that module going here? Path, comma, include. Sir, what is include? It is a one. F meant for function. C means class. If another symbol is there, module. Include is the predefined function. Available this module in this package library. I included. And sorry, I am importing the function. Now, by using this function, include, yeah. So what is your URL pattern? Your wish anything. Any name you can use this one test app, comma. What is the function? Include function. Inside, where is your URLs? Test app. Dot, what is the file name? URLs. Ante, see this. Babu, in my test app, one file is there. What is the file? URLs. This file I am included into where? Project level URL. What is the URL name? Test app. Ante, tomorrow if you want to send the request, first, what is the server address? First, this is the server address. First, you have to send the server address. Next, what is your URL in the project level? What is the URL? Test app. First, you have to mention compulsory project level test app. Inside, what is that? First, ante. First, it is called as local IP address, port number. Django server always will come to which file? URLs. Yes, it is coming. What it is? Test app available. Include. Then where it will go? Application level URLs, it will go to there. Yes. In this first is there. Yes. It is pointing to which one? First view. That view will be executed there. So finally, first this is the common unto port. First to give you project level URL. After that, application level. Copy this one. Maybe server not started. Start the server. No module name. Test app. Sir, once a server started getting error, module not found error. Ekkado mistake is there. Check it. Path wrong. Ekkada? Any spelling mistake? Test app is there. Include. Test app URLs are included. Sorry. Yeah. 21st line. What is the function? Path. Now see the, sir, once you did modifications, automatically your server will be started there. No issues. Come here, refresh. First view response. If I go to here, I go with second. Am I getting second view response? Yes. If I go to third, first view, second view, third view. So this is the main reusability purpose. We can go to this type of approach. So in URLs pattern, just you have to add include function. You have to mention path. Now start the server, send the request. Your request compulsory first always project level URL, next to application level URL. అది స్టోరీ. Path is the function inside first URL pattern. After that, which function you are calling, that we have to provide it. That is the project level path syntax. So if any project, if any application is there, inside application URLs are there. If you want to reuse, just you have to do only two steps. Copy that application, paste into the project. In settings.py, you have to add application name and include that URLs into current project. Sir, what is the from dot? What is the meaning of from dot? From dot means same package. This views and URLs both are same only. If you have any confusion is there, remove this, take that ST app. Sir, finally, last note. This is from dot terminology 1 minute. From dot import views, is it Django terminology or Python? Python only. From the current working directory, import the views. This is completely Python related code. Note, we can see the reusability of application in other projects just with only 2 lines. First one, in settings.py, add that application name. Second one, urls.py. So you won't do anything, just to copy that application, paste it. How URL come inside test app? I created a file. What you are understanding here? Am I created url.py manually or not? Yes, after that I'm defining, I'm included that just we have to add path of you or else application where you define that application name. Include is the function you or else application dot URLs. So that is the main reusability. Just add application in settings included. Yeah, you have to provide test app dot Sunny only. So the main advantage is code reusability purpose. And one more main second advantage, the project level URLs are very clean and easy to understandable. That's you have to define URLs in application level instead of project level. So I will upload in these all the videos, classroom videos, links and class notes in the Google Drive. Next you have to download it. So tomorrow we will continue the session. Bye everyone.